Morning students, today we are going to start your new lesson and the lesson is forming degrees of adjective of quality. Okay, but before starting that, I want to say that what is an adjective. You know that it before only, but then also we will revise it once. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Yeah, you know that when we are getting more information about the noun or pronoun in the sentence, that time that word is called as the adjective. Jane is a clever girl. Now students identify which is the adjective, which is an adjective. Jane is a girl, okay, and for that girl one adjective has come, means about that girl we are getting one more information. Which kind of girl she is? Clever. Okay, that clever word is going as an adjective. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane to that girl. This is the adjective. Now what's mentioned in your class, that is the degrees of comparison. In the adjective of quality is there, and many qualities we have, many bad qualities like good qualities also. When we do the comparison of this with the one person in the same quantity, with each other in the less or more quantity, otherwise with the unique thing, that time we are forming the degree. Yeah, we know that. I think in the last class also you know that three degrees are there. One is the positive, second is the comparative, and third is the superlative. Degrees of comparison, there are three degrees of adjective. Positive, for example, fast, great, old. Comparative, faster, greater, older. Superlative, fastest, greatest, and the oldest. Now in these all examples you can observe that positive degree is coming in the main form of the word, and comparative it is coming with the er, and superlative it is coming with the est to the main word. Is it? Base word it is there, to that base word when we are joining er it is comparative, when we are joining est it comes under the superlative. Now here the main examples are there for the understanding degree of comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. High, higher, highest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Low, lower, lowest. Easily, more easily, most easily. Little, less, least. Then large, larger, largest. Fast, faster, fastest. Okay. Again we will see the few more examples. Happy, now it's ended with y, that y we are going to convert into I. Okay, and then we are going to join er and est. Happy, happier, and the happiest, because you know that in the superlative degree that firstly we are taking the, and after the only we are going to take the est form. Okay, it will be most beautiful, yeah, otherwise anything, but in the superlative degree the is compulsory. Okay, the happiest. Useful, more useful, the most useful. Good, better, the best. Young, younger, the youngest. Sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Yeah. Now, how to identify the superlative degree? It is coming with the est form, and before est form what is coming compulsory? The. Then how to identify the comparative degree? In comparative degree, after er form always than is coming. Better than, younger than, hotter than, more useful than, happier than, sweeter than. Means in the comparative degree after er form always which word is coming? Than. And in superlative degree which word is coming before est form? The. Very good. And how to identify the positive degree? Positive degree is coming in the main form of the word, as well as it is coming with the help of as also. As sweet as, so sweet as, like that words are coming in the positive degree. Okay. Now degrees of comparison, irregular adjectives which you have to learn only. Here we can't join the er, here we can't join the est. Okay, then good. For the good optional, well is also there. If well is coming, then also we are going to write better best. If good is coming, then also we are going to write better best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, many, more, most. Far, farther, further, farthest. Late, later, last, latest. Old, older, elder, older, oldest. Okay, this you have to learn it perfectly, student. Now comparative and superlative, some rules I have given. This whole chart you are going to write down in your notebook. Okay, when I will give you this video to you after this lecture, after that you are going to write down this whole chart in your notebook. Now one syllable is there, that time old, only er, old, older, oldest. Okay, then cheap, cheaper, cheapest. High, higher, highest. Now once that is the syllable is there, which is vowel, consonant, vowel. How it comes, see now. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. What you observe in this student? Hot, that last word is T, and before T what has come? Vowel come. That's why we have made this T double T. In the big also, before G what have come? That is I. I is the vowel, that's why we made double G, bigger. Thin, now in the N, before N what have come? That is the I, and I is the vowel, that's why double N. Hotter, bigger, thinner, hottest, biggest, and the thinnest. Now two syllables ending with Y. You know, before only I have told that. What is that? Y we are converting into I, and then we are joining the ER and EST. Healthy, healthier, the healthiest. The, now in the superlative everywhere you will see the, because there is compulsory. Yeah, than is also compulsory and the is also compulsory. Than in the comparative, the is in the superlative. Healthy, healthier, the healthiest. Happy, happier, the happiest. Noisy, noisier, the noisiest. Now two or more syllables when it is coming. Now that time we are saying it is the more and the most. Okay. Famous, more, and the most famous. Generous, more generous, the most generous. Okay. Now more plus most and adjective is coming. And irregular, before only I told you many irregular words, that only you have to learn it. Good, better, best. Bad, worst, the worst. Far, farther, the farthest. Okay. Now I hope that you understood how to identify the positive, comparative, and the superlative. And when we use the positive degree, when there is no comparison between, but their same qualities are there. Suppose now one example I will say you. Sita is as good as Geeta. Okay, what I said? Sita is as good as Geeta. Means Sita and Geeta both are the comparatively both are good. That's why both are the same. And when we have to say the same, that time we are using the positive degree. Now comparative degree. Comparative degree means what? When one person is something more than the second person, other is less than the something second person. That time we are using the comparative degree. Now suppose now Sita's example. Okay, Sita is more, what I am saying that, okay, more beautiful, because here I can't use that more, better and all, because for good what is coming, better is coming. If we want to follow the before first example only, then we can do Sita is better than Geeta. Okay, Sita is better than Geeta, means compared to Geeta, Sita is more talented. Okay. Then now last is superlative. Superlative is about the unique thing. Suppose you are total 30 students are there, and in that 30 student only one student is clever and remaining 29 are in the average category, then that one person is unique one. Okay, because he is having the more knowledge about everything. That time what I will say? Sita is the best. What I will say? Sita is the best student in the class. Because in the class, why? Because when I will take in the class, all student will come automatically in that, and Sita is the unique. That's why I mentioned Sita separately and remaining unique things as a, suppose like Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is unique. Okay, like many things are there which are unique in our India, in the whole world, that when we are going to compare with other all things of the world, that time we are using the superlative degree. Now see the question answers from your textbook. Complete the following chart with the comparative and the superlative degrees of the given adjective of quality. Wise, wiser, wisest. Lengthy, lengthier. Why now? Why? I. Okay. Lengthier, lengthiest. Laborious, more laborious, and most laborious. Then burdensome, more burdensome, most burdensome. High, higher, highest. Okay. Bright, brighter, brightest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Happy, happier, happiest. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. Anxious, more anxious, most anxious. Curious, more curious, most curious. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Shallow, shallower, shallowest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now next question is about the regarding the filling the blank, and before filling the blank starting, you have to revise one thing. The is coming into the superlative, than is coming into the comparative, and main form of the word with as, otherwise without as, is coming in the positive. Now easily you can fill the questions which are given a downside in the filling the blank. The age of a blade is dash dash than. If than come, then which degree we have to take? Comparative. And sharp become sharper. Very good. Now my school is dash dash than. Again than has come. Then father than. Ronak is the. Now what came? The. And when a the is coming, it's superlative degree. That's a most studious student in our class. I found Max very difficult. Now I have taken the main word because here than also didn't come as well as the also didn't come. That's why I have taken the main form. And in the remaining half sentence is the came. That's why I have taken the most difficult of all the subjects. Mr. Singh is the busiest person in the entire office. Sumita is a dash dash girl. Now here than is also not there, the is also not there. That's why we'll take only lazy. And the remaining one filling the blank is there remain. Now what will come in that student? Radhika is dash dash than her. Than came means what will come? It's a comparative and it's lazier. Lazier. Y become I. This wall is too high to climb. The pond is not as shallow as it appears. The cover of my book is dash than yours, brighter. Yeah. The sight of the snow-capped mountains of the Sagarmatha range is wonderful to watch. Okay. Now I hope that how we feel wherever the has come we have taken est form, wherever than has come there we have taken er form, and where both are not there, there we have taken the main form of the word. Now see the third question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate degree. The pen is dash than the sword. Than came Miss Mightier er. Mrs. Ananya is the came, that's why est form, oldest. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. Dhruvi is a very intelligent girl. He is as handsome, yeah, as his father. Correct the following sentences by inserting correct degrees of adjective. Follow the examples. Now how you are going to, now first, second, third, not necessarily write in the notebook, that you can fill in the textbook only, but this fourth question you are going to write down in the notebook in the form of question answer. Previously chart, okay, and after that chart we are going to write down this fourth question in the form of question answer. What is the first question? She is the younger girl in the class. Then younger, before younger the will come. Okay, no, after, if the we have to take, then what should come? Youngest, est. Yes, she is the youngest girl in the class. Mumbai is bigger city in India. Then Mumbai is the biggest city in India. I can run fastest than Bhumi. No, faster than Bhumi. I can run faster than Bhumi. Then our team scored the higher points in the competition. Our team scored the highest points in the competition. You have to write remaining sentence in the competition. She is elder than her sister. Not elder, it is older. She is older than her sister. The population of China is more greater than any other country. Then the population of China is greater than, not more, only greater. Greater than any other country. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest, okay, the largest continent in the world. Ankur is most wisest member of his family. Ankur is the wisest member of his family. Milk is good than tea. No, milk is better than tea. And iron is the heavier metal. No, iron is the heaviest metal. Now I hope that you understand. If you are understanding, student, comparative is than, superlative is the, and the positive is main verb with the as, then definitely easily you are going to write your answer. It's so easy. And this fourth question you are going to write down in the notebook. Thank you so much, student. Take care.